guys. We're gonna go down 993. What is it? We're gonna go west today instead of going east. Go west, young man. Isn't that the old saying? Looks like it's a dead day out here. I don't see much happening. That is a pretty steep hill. I think that, oh yeah, the churches are still all rocking and rolling. Okay. The churches are still kicking. This Irwin, PA has more churches than any place I ever seen. Honest to God, every block in this town has a church. And the hills here are very steep. Believe me. Oh. They got some steep hills around here. Well, I haven't been this way on the bike yet. Now, I did travel this way 750 times in my car, moving over here. So we're going to be using the mileage today from the other thing, because I'm not putting the Relive app on today, so. Wow, look at that river over there. It all turned red for some reason. Wow, that's pretty wild. Stop and look at that. Wow. Must be a lot of clay down there. That guy scared the crap out of me. I thought it was some kind of car coming right at me there for a second. That was pretty freaky. Yeah, I see a lot of people over here on their bikes going this way. I mean, the bike lanes are pretty wide here for the most part. I mean, they taper off here and there. In case anybody never heard me, you know, I really love this XP Lite. This is a great bike. But whenever you're going to get on hills, what my suggestion is to stop using the throttle. Just start pedaling when you're going up a hill, and just use the pedal assist to get up and down, up the hills. Stop, don't hit the throttle. Here's a water treatment place, I think. Yeah, it really makes a big difference on saving the battery if you don't throttle. Just use so you're using like a little electric and a little muscle to get up the hills. You're saving a lot of battery, believe me. I've rode this thing enough to know all that stuff. So we're at what, 1.4 miles. Wow. Already a mile and a half. You know what I forgot to do was turn on my tail light. So we are going to do that, right? Seems like it's going to rain, so hopefully I don't get caught in it. Hopefully it holds off until I get back. So we're going up the hill. It's a big one, but I'm not using the throttle at all. See, I got the just doing the pedal assist on 4. All right, we made it for the most part. This ain't the real big one though. Yeah, this part 2 here is a lot more substantial than part 1. But it's still not so steep that you can't deal with it, you know. You just get a steady pace going on the pedal assist, no throttle, and you'll make it up no problem. This bike is great on hills, great. Oh, there's a little possum. Poor baby. All right. We made it up the hill. All right, so here is the Kingdom Hall. the Jehovah Witness thing. I'd like to see how busy they are on a Sunday. Oh, it looks like the place is packed. Okay, so we're at 4.2 miles. I think this is where the big mountains start. I might be going back pretty soon. Okay, let me let off the throttle here. It's a police. Got something going on up here. Oh, he's got somebody pulled over. Yep, speeder, guaranteed. Yeah, this hill's a killer here, man. Slow and steady on the pedal assist. Yeah, they don't have radar in Pennsylvania, but they use this VAS car, whatever the heck that is. Something about some marks on the road, and they can time you in between there. Speeding tickets in Pennsylvania are extremely rare. I mean, you got a better chance of hitting the damn lottery than you do getting a speeding ticket in Pennsylvania. So I figured I'd just turn around up here. I'd never been up here before since school. I guess they got some people working today. All right, guys, so I'm gonna go head back. So we'll cut the video right here. Okay, here we go up another mountain, coming back. There's some tiny little post office right here. I don't even know what the, Aurora, is that what that says? Aurora, PA? It looks like a little house, like somebody lives there. Okay, so now we get to take a break. We can go downhill for a little spell. All right, guys, I'm coming into the home stretch. Yeah, living out here, it's really great for riding the bikes. So not only am I really close to the trails, I'm also able to ride out on these this Route 993 and some of Main Street and some of these other places. And yeah, these things go for miles and miles, so you can really get a nice long ride with this stuff here. So yeah, this is great, man. This is great living out here. Now, of course, winter's coming, so you know it's not gonna be that great. So we're gonna have to deal with that. Yeah, getting up this part ain't no cupcake either. This hill, or not a hill, it's a mountain. Okay, so this is not a hill, it's a mountain. Oh, church is letting out. I can see that happening. Go ahead, buddy. God, this place is, all these churches letting out. It's so crowded when that's happening. Okay, so let's stop over here and get the totals. Okay, so we did 10.3 miles, which on this thing, 47 volts left. It's 41 minutes. 10.3 miles, it was probably 11 because this thing is a little bit on the low end. The GPS would have said 11, but I didn't feel like turning that on. All right, guys, have a nice day. I'll talk to you later.